This is how to set up the mixer in Reaper so that it's a little bit easier to use on certain types of computers or screens. So if you go view mixer on the default setting of Reaper, it docks into the bottom of the arrange window here, the main window. And if you've got a very big screen, then that is not so much of a problem. But if you've got a very small screen, then it tends to be a bit scrunched up. So to solve this, we're just going to right click on the little mixer tab down in the dock, and we're going to uncheck dock mixer in Docker, which is what Reaper calls that area. And then we see that the mixer pops up in its own window. One more thing happens here is that you end up with two layers of faders, which can get a little cluttered as well. As you can see, you can't see which plugins are inserted there, and this will happen on certain computers. If you right click and go to show multiple rows of tracks and uncheck that, they will all line up horizontally just like they would appear on a real world mixer or in a regular DAW, and you can see the plugins on the top section and then the sends on the bottom section. So that's how I make Reaper a little easier to use when it comes to manipulating the mixer. The shortcut for mixer view, of course, is Command M on a Mac and Control M on a PC.